Alright guys, so we did some of the cauliflower here over on that side. If you remember the video before this, you'd see. And we did some over here, however the space finished. So we're gonna start going over here a little and get that done. There's a lot that we have left. The callalus are ready to harvest from again. Well, some of them. A lot of the peppers are flowering, as you can see. Also, remember every time the rain falls, I think 2 times before in our videos we've shown you guys this. So here we have it again. These are yellow habaneros coming up from when we threw some spoiled one here months ago. And this is our 3rd time getting seedlings from here. So that goes to show seeds go dormant for a long time. Some spring up when they're ready. We have a lot coming up. So we're gonna leave them until they're mature and then we move them. Yeah. Thin them out, move some of them, leave some of them, call it a day. Also, we did harvest some of our shishito. Harvest quite a few. I couldn't show you guys really last night how they were looking, but this is them. Looking real nice. And our jalapeno, this is the first one that came up. So it's getting really big. We have a lot more flowers coming on other ones. We have a lot more coming up. This tree has around 3 big good sized ones. And we have a lot more coming up on some other trees. Like here. Have a lot more stuff. Our cayens are also flowering. Budding, so we're just waiting to see. These have caught on and everything. The poblanos are doing good. Some men were working on the roof the other day and they kind of damaged a few, but for the most part they have started budding as well. So we should see flowers on them soon. We also planted some peaches and cream sweet corn here. We just put the seeds directly in the ground, unlike before when we put them in seedling trees. And as you can see, they're coming up.
Guys, she bet me.
The bet not finished, guys. Because I'm have to grow and grow good. And then I'll allow him to finish off the entire area here with corn. And then just a bus off. Excuse the body of my screen, please.
Already there again.
See, you can't even find them?
I like.
My dear. So one this one.
1, 2.
One over this one. And 2 over this one.
Them come over here, this one.
One there this one.
1, 2.
On the upper side.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Also, our bell peppers that we have here that survived, everything. They have started budding, so soon have bell peppers because I have 2,000 pounds for bell pepper, my dear. So I'm waiting on my bell peppers to start bearing and producing and all the nice things. This is a Kraken pepper, so we're just waiting to see how that goes. And I think the rest are, what's the name again? Carolina Reaper. And the tomato, the one tomato that survived, she's going. I don't even know which tomato this is. We don't know which one of variety this. In all honesty. So let's have to wait and see when it starts producing. But that's kind of it because we don't have anything else. Right now, those over there, they're doing quite fine. I think they're cauliflower. Everything over there is the same like before. Oh, I wanted to show you guys the basil and the corn. The carrots. The carrots. I'll open this. So as I said, this method works best when they have matured. We're gonna thin them out and proceed on with them. And as I showed you guys, these aren't doing so hot, but we're gonna make what survive. Here are the basils, guys. Look how them big already. Since we sprayed a 2 times with the spray?
Yeah.
Since we sprayed the 2 times after Hurricane Melissa, we haven't seen any more caterpillars, which is good, thank God, because they were literally eating down everything. Then we still have here to finish cleaning up and just dig up. I think it's just we need to dig up because we can't put these as much. The Carolina Reapers, they're going on fine, new leaves and everything. I don't see any buds yet, so I'm not ready for that stage. The Pink Tiger crossbred with the Carolina Reaper is also going on fine. New leaves everywhere, just no buds yet. That is it.
one out of place pepper with two out of place tomato. The mystery of how that pepper ended up here. No one knows.
What kind of pepper it is?
It don't look like scotch bonnet.
It barely look like bell pepper.
And that me I say so it do.
Mm.
It's a flower still. So we'll find out eventually.
Oh, they're bell pepper.
And that me I say.
Alright guys, so yesterday we went to H&L Agro and we got some perlite and also some potting soil. We got 2 of these bags of potting soil, and we are going to sow some seeds because, as we mentioned, the nursery, because they got damaged and they're going through repair, they won't have anything ready for now, but they gave us some advice on what to use and how to do it, and we are going to try that. So the perlite is a 25-50 ratio to soil, so I am going to use 2 of these, 2 of the bags, 2 of these, and the bag of perlite. I'm going to mix it in this first, in this bucket. This is 25-50 perlite to soil. Seems like we need a bigger bucket. Yeah, so I definitely need something bigger. What am I going to use? All right, guys, so this needs to be mixed a little bit more, but I'm gonna have to take out some. All right, guys, so for now I'm only gonna sow these. We're gonna do 12 butternut squash, 12 pumpkin, and these are some Kraken Carolina Reaper. The reason why I'm doing more Carolina Reaper, the Kraken, is because only one had survived from the set that we got the last time. All right, guys, so that's it for the day. Fill out all the space that we can with broccoli and with cauliflower and with cabbage. We have a few cabbages leave this amount, but we're most likely gonna give this away to someone that needs seedling. Okay, guys, so that's it. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. Click that post notification bell for whenever we get whenever we upload a video, you get updates, so you guys can follow along and yeah, continue along with the journey with us.